Hi, this is R.Swathiramya, Assistant Professor, AIDS Department, SNS College of Engineering. You are here with me in IOT and AI lecture series. In previous video, we were discussing about what is IOT, what is AI, and how the AI and the IOT combines together to give us a better real-time applications. And also, we were discussing about the basic components of IOT. In this video, we are going to discuss about the basic nodal capabilities. So let's start with the basics of IoT. Let me give you the quick revise about IoT. IoT is nothing but you are trying to connect a number of devices all together in a network, and these devices should communicate with each other through any kind of medium, either wired or wireless, and they have to communicate to each other without the human intervention. This is the main goal of IoT. Think that when you put all the devices together in a network, you need a basic capabilities. The device should satisfy the basic capabilities, then only it can perform as together in a network. So these capabilities are given by the basic nodal capabilities. Here node is nothing but we taken the devices which we are connecting in the network, right? These devices has been taken as a nodes. So you need a basic capability for the device if it want to connect in the network. For example, in a IoT system, we have to connect local. You have to connect the device in the local network as well as out of network to network also. So the device should support both minimum local connectivity as well as it should support the networking connectivity. And these basic nodal capabilities will give you the set of rules and regulations that is also called as protocol for the local connectivity as well as network connectivity. And it also give you the protocols for the higher layer application layers. So here in IoT system, you are trying to connect the computing device as well as non-computing device. So still it is a non-computing device. When you connect with the computing device, it should able to transfer the data from itself to other device. So these devices should have some basic capabilities. It needs some requirements. Only if it satisfies those requirements, we can able to connect these devices in the IoT system. So let's start with a small example. For example, we are connecting two devices together. For example, in a smart irrigation system, we are connecting a sensor to the application. So our sensor will update the temperature as well as humidity. Okay, so temperature data, humidity data to the application. If the temperature data was not updated for a day, for example, the temperature data has been sent from the sensor device to the application to other device, but the data has been lost in between the network for some network issues, for some natural things. If the data has been not transferred to the application, which means, for example, the day has very dry day. Okay, so the land needs more water. So as per the sensor information, the sensor sends the information regarding the low water level to the application, but that message has not been sent to the application. Then what will happen? So it used to what will happen? They will irrigate the same level of water to the land, which causes a severe problem. So if the packet has been lost, the action I mean the reaction for that will be very severe. So in IoT, because IoT is a complete real-time application oriented system, so first requirement for IoT device was retransmission. We should have the retransmission mechanism to avoid these issues. For example, if the packet has been lost in the network, when you transfer from device 1 to device, you should apply immediately recovery system. Okay, you should apply the recovery mechanism for that. Okay, for that it should have the retransmission mechanism, strong retransmission mechanism to avoid this packet loss problem. This is the first technical requirement requirement for the device. Okay, now with this I will wind up the system, wind up the video. In the next video, let me discuss about the other technical requirements. See you. Bye bye.